Realme is expected to launch its new generation number series, the Realme 16 Pro, in the coming months. While we still have plenty of months for the launch, the expected color variants and storage options of the Realme 16 Pro 5G model were leaked online, giving us an early glimpse of what to expect. As of now, the launch is not expected until January or February of 2026. The Realme 16 Pro will come in 3 color options, include People Gray, Master Gold, and Orchid Purple. The Realme 16 Pro is said to be available in 12GB plus 256GB and a top-end 12GB plus 512GB model. The device boasts a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with up to 144Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. The rear camera setup on the phone includes a 50MP main and a 50MP ultra-wide 50MP sensor for selfies. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.